Hello everyone. Today we have a special project to make together. We have to make a F1 car for this young boy. Are you happy? Yes. Yes, of course. So, okay, we will try to make something together. Okay, we use this piece of nylon, this round bar, to make the wheels, the rod. It's okay?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Okay, so make the tool. And now we try to make the wheel. Okay. There we go. We will make this wheel, and we have changed the tool. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Make the 0. Okay. 0.5 already. Alright, watch. Ready? Wow. Huh? Okay, we make the center drill. Center. Okay, we make a big hole of 2 millimeters. 2 millimeters, so very big. Go up. Okay. The cutter. Okay. Make 0. See 0. The thickness is 2, so we move by 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 0. And we make the wheel like this. 10, it's okay, 10 or 12. 12, okay, 12, 12. It's okay, 12, 12, okay. We go for 12. Are you ready? Sei pronto? Are you ready? Are you ready or not? Oh! Yes! Okay, are you happy for the first wheel? Yes or not?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Is it marshmallow?
Marshmallow? No, it's not a marshmallow, it's a wheel, okay? And this will be the axis. Will be the axis with wood, okay? Like the drawing. Okay. The cut, and so will be like this. Okay, and now we finish the second wheel. We go to 12. Another time, and we finish. Okay.
Is it the marshmallow?
It's not a marshmallow. Okay. This is okay. Our axis and the 2 wheels. It's very big. It's more or less for a dragster, no, not for a Formula 1. But it's okay. So this is the special F1 car that we have to make. We don't have the possibility to join these 2 caps to make the wheels, but we have made in nylon and with a bigger diameter like a dragster. And now we have to make this one and that in wood. Vai dritto, vai. Okay. Okay. Perfect. And for the axis we use this that is 3 millimeter. Okay, we have to We make the hole to 3. It's not so straight or 90 degree, but okay. For the high velocity of your car, I think this okay. Problem. Glue, 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 and glue. Okay, over. The support for the spoiler. Okay, made in paper. 2 pieces of paper in between the glue. Okay, stay in position with this. No. Okay, not a problem. We make like this. Okay, stay there. Okay, like this. Perfect. Okay, so now you have to stay here for 1 year. Okay. No, I'm joking. Stai qui un anno. No. Okay, like this. Okay. The frame is under construction, as you can see. I don't know how rigid it is, but okay, we try. Now we have make some assembly. Now we will show you what we have made together for the assembly of the F1 supercar of Lorenzo. These are our bill of material. As you can see, we have the frontal axis, the back axis. This is our chassis. This is a wheel. This is another wheel. An elastic that will be our engine. Okay. And now you can show how is possible to install the wheel. Okay, sorry for the camera. And this is the other wheel. Okay, like this. And so we will make a cut here and there, and we will put the second wheel, the back wheel here, and the front gear on the other side. Glue.
Glue.
So small quantity here. Okay, like this. Close immediately because it's a lot dangerous. Okay, and we'll see if we can install. Okay, now the wheel is installed and we can make a small test from the right to the left. There you go. Okay, another time. Yes, it seems more or less okay. So this is the result that we have obtained, and also you can see that there is 2 upgrades. The wheel that is in nylon, made with the lathe, with the daddy lathe, and also here we have put something that can make more grip when the wheel will go. Okay, stay here. Okay, at the 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and you go. Okay,
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. It seems okay. This is the second test. So 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Way. Okay. So now we measure the distance. Okay. I will have a reference here. So this is 110 centimeter. Now load, and we make the last. So after we will take the average of your velocity per. Okay. So are you ready? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, Let's go. And this is 1.6. Okay. Now we'll make a free measure. We don't consider the acceleration. We have taken the distance, that is 110 centimeter, and we will make a free measure of the velocity. Correct? Yes.
Yes.
And at the end we will see the average of the velocity. These are the measures that we have taken. This is the time, T1, 2 and 3. This is the space. This is the free velocity, V1, 2 and 3. And the average, that was 62.47 centimeters per second. That is 0.6 meters per second. And of course is 2.23 kilometers per hour. Wow! Okay, Lorenzo, so your car have an average velocity of 2.2 kilometers per hour. Are you happy?
Yes, Daddy.
Oh, fantastic! Okay, for today the big project of this fantastic car is finished. I hope that you like my video, you enjoy. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe also, and I hope that also Lorenzo will be happy for the car. So, thanks for watching from Alberto and
Lorenzo.
Okay, are you happy?
Yes.
That's all. Oh.